Moderna. In 2022, failure passes for success. Moderna published the results of its trials on kids aged 6 months to 5 years old, which found efficacy rates between 37% children aged 2 to 5 and 43% children 6 months to 2 years old. On those results, the drug maker intends to request emergency use authorization from the FDA. In any other realm, when you scored less than 50%, that would be considered failure. But don't take my word for it. In fact, that's exactly what Mr. Science, aka Dr. Fauci, said, in fact, before the vaccines went worldwide. The good doctor in 2020 stated that an efficacy rate of 50% was the minimum efficacy for approval of a vaccine. I know why that doesn't matter anymore. Just a theory here. But I guess given that math and numbers are a creation of the white oppressor devils, and Dr. Fauci is, well, both, then by extension, anything he says, well, doesn't matter, right? Based on this, I just have a few questions. If emergency use authorization only applies during an emergency, how are the EUA vaccines still viable? After all, it's been over 2 years. And from what I've seen reported on mainstream media, everybody agrees the pandemic is over and now it's an endemic. As such, we are learning to live with COVID. So experts like, I don't have a PhD or anything, but wouldn't that mean the emergency is over and the EUA licenses are toast? Another question I have is that Moderna didn't talk about the absolute risk reduction, risk versus benefits. I would think as a parent, knowing the potential risk of injury to a child from the vaccine in exchange for lowering the risk of getting COVID is kind of like important. No? Just me? Based on the best available data, when it comes to kids in this age range, serious outcomes due to COVID are effectively zero. Not sure how much we can improve on zero, but worth knowing the cost for trying to do so, no? In closing, I'm not a doctor, nor am I here to offer medical advice. I'll only speak as a parent. As a parent, it's my job to ensure both the safety and well-being of my kids. Therefore, before undergoing any medical treatment for them, it's critical that I get the facts on the risk versus benefits and understand the absolute benefit, thereby ensuring that any drug and or medicine they're being given passes the scrutiny. Based on the FDA's own experts and standards, Moderna's doesn't. Anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You can follow me on Rumble as well as my Locals account. Post any comments that you might have. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time.